Hey guys, welcome back! Managing money can be tough, whether you're just starting out or juggling bills and savings in your 30s. But here's the good news. AI-powered tools are making budgeting way easier. Whether you're planning a trip, saving for a house, or just want to feel more in control of your money, today I'll show you how AI can totally change the way you budget. Let's jump in. Whether you're fresh into your career or balancing family expenses, budgeting can feel endless. That's where AI tools like Mint, Clio, or YNAB come in. First, tracking expenses. AI automatically sorts your spending: rent, food, coffee. Plus, it learns your habits and sends you reminders like, hey, you're overspending on takeout. Super handy, right? If you're working toward bigger goals, like a house or debt-free life, apps like YNAB help you plan and adjust as your income or goals change. And get this, apps like Trim scan your accounts for forgotten subscriptions and even help you cancel them. That's money saved without lifting a finger. No matter where you are in life, AI tools adjust to your needs. If you're building an emergency fund, apps like Good Budget set up envelopes for different goals, got a family, or saving for your kids' future. Personal Capital brings all your accounts together, giving you a clear big-picture view of your finances and future plans. And here's the real magic. AI tools offer personalized advice. If you overspend somewhere, they suggest ways to fix it. Kinda like having a financial coach in your pocket. Here are a few quick universal tips you can use with AI tools. 1. Automated tracking. Link your accounts. AI will handle the rest. 2. Spending alerts. Get notified before you overspend. 3. Personalized insights. Get smart recommendations based on your habits. 4. Auto-saving. Set a goal and let the app help you stay consistent. Easy, right? So whether you're just getting started or planning for the future, AI makes budgeting smarter, easier, and way less stressful. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear which budgeting apps you've tried. Thanks for watching. See you next time.